What's going on YouTube? I've got here a CRKT Otanashi Noh folding knife. Got this over at Blade HQ. Just got it today. Comes with a looks like a little mini catalog. Set that aside for now. This is a pretty heavy, beefy knife. Looks like it's G10 scale. It's got the thumb disc, steel frame lock. Looks like it's got the reversible pocket clip. Looks like it's only for tip up carry though. It's a 4.5-inch blade. It's got the little lanyard hole there. It's got their lock system. Once it's locked in, it's not flopping around or anything like that. It's a pretty secured lock. This is about a over 6 ounce knife. It's solid. CRKT Otanashi Noh folding knife.